Good morning. It's Tuesday, 20th August 2024, and welcome to today's newspaper headlines. I'm Regina Bless, and I'll be bringing you the latest updates. In today's edition of Daily Graphic, voters' exhibition begins today. The Chronicles. Dampare warns political parties don't dare any attempt to disturb the peace will be met with legal action. The Daily Dispatch. Bawumia is not corrupt, and three other important statements NAPO made at MPP launch. Daily Guide. EC starts voters register exhibition today. The new crusading guide. Akufo-Addo cut short for $12 billion.